Good morning. Oh, good morning. Oh, we're all taking little baths this morning. Yeah. Taking little baths. Yeah. Good morning. Hi, Phoebe. What are you saying? Hi. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Saturday. Oh, it's another beautiful day in central Maine. This winter's been pretty cold, so our birdies abandoned their outside house for the inside bunny barn. But we still let them out every day if it's going to be a nice sunny day. Even though it's a little chilly. They don't mind. They like it. Now this one, she minds. Huh. Hi Fiona, how you doing? I'm okay. It's real cold out. Oh, happy duckies and gooses. Oh, the duckies are having a nice happy bath this morning. Good morning. Oh, good morning. Oh, good morning. And who's talking over here? My gooses. My gooses has something to say. Oh, good morning. Oh, so beautiful. Good morning. We're going to preen in the sunshine. Dry off those feathers. Yeah. Good girls. Hope you're having a nice day. Yeah. We've got our beautiful gaggle of geese, 3 French Toulouse, 3 Africans, and 3 half and half hybrids. Don't you chase my little dog. She thought about chasing my little dog. And then over there, oh, a bunch of woolly sheepies having brekkies. Oh, lovely. Good morning. All right. You guys have a nice day, okay? We love you. We miss you. Oh, here he comes. Hi. Hello. And we'll see you soon. Oh. Bye.